this lesson, we're going to talk about booleans in JavaScript. But what are booleans? Booleans in JavaScript, it's something like yes or no. It's something like on or off. In JavaScript, we have two values, true and false. True means yes, false means no. Let me give you an example. If we just console.log 5 is greater than 4. If you have a look here, we have here true. That means yes, 5 is greater than 4. What if just change this to 10? If you have a look here, it became false because 5 is not greater than 10. What if I just remove this greater than and make it less than? Now it became a true because the program wants to say that 10 is greater than 5, and that's true. What if we just change it to equals? In JavaScript, when you want to create equals, you can create double equals or triple equals, and we're gonna talk about this later in next lesson. So now 5 is not equal to 10. So we have here false. What if we just replace this with 5? We have here true because 5 is equals to 5. In JavaScript, everything with a value is a true. Like what? I'm gonna tell you. Like, for example, number like 5, or even -6, or even any string, etc. So if you wanted to check any value is a boolean or not, you can use the boolean function. So let's console.log boolean and type here what you want. For example, let's type name. Look, we have here a true. You can add -5. -5 is a true. You can add true. True is a true. And the false values like 0. So 0 is false. Undefined is false. Null is false. Nan. This nan means not a number. Okay? So it's also false. And if you type just false, false is false. But if you add it in just strings like this, it became true. Why? Because now it's a string with a value. So now it's true, not false.